Alright guys, today I wanted to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new RGB video light. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Cool. So if you do any kind of content, do a lot of recording, you definitely want to have some good lighting. Alright, let's check it out. The instruction manual. Take these two items out. So these are all the accessories for it. And this is the actual light. Wow, check that out. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Let's go look at some of the accessories. Type-C cable to charge it up. A lanyard for it, for carrying it around. And then a nice little adapter for it. And then this will go around in the front of it like that. Very cool. But let's go ahead and actually try this out, right? And then to turn it on, we're gonna go ahead and turn this knob right here. Man, that is pretty bright right there. Very cool. What I do like about this light is it doesn't just work with like phones. You can put this on a professional camera. Like I said, it's got the attachment for it as well. Let's go through some of these other settings on here. And one cool thing is it does let you know the battery percent. It lets you know the brightness percent. So let's go ahead and kind of play with that a little bit. I'll turn that down just a little bit. Very cool. So indoor, outdoor shooting, this is very cool. So I already have a ring light, but you can tell just with this light how much brighter it gets. Look at that. Whoa. A lot of options on there. Check out all those colors right there. Very cool. So no matter what kind of scene you're going for, this will definitely help. And then we'll go ahead and install the lanyard onto it. So we'll take that part off, and then we'll go ahead and run it through here and hook it back up. Just like that. Do the same over here. Push it through here. There you go. You got a cool lanyard to carry it around with. Very nice. And what's cool is this actually has up to 21 different light effects. So we'll go through some of them. It does have that mode button right here. So we'll go ahead and go through some. So right here, it shows this one as TV screen. It'll even let you know what mode you're on right there. Check that out. These are all pre-built in. Very cool. Wow, this light can do quite a bit. The last cool thing is it will take about 3 hours to get it fully charged, but it will last you 200 minutes at the brightest. So if you don't have it at the brightest, it'll last you a little longer. And what's cool is if you are near like a charger, it does support for it to work while being charged. So this light can definitely last you a while after you get it fully charged. So if you guys are constantly recording videos, creating content, definitely look into this light. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.